Greetings, everyone. Greetings, everyone. Greetings, fellow grade 12s. Let's look at primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols, right? Now we are going to be looking at those three. Your primary alcohol, primary, your secondary, right? And your tertiary alcohol. This is going to be the three significant things that we are going to be looking at. Alcohol. Now, what is it that we need to know firstly about these? Now, firstly, your primary alcohol basically, or rather your alcohols can be divided into three things. Your primary alcohol, let's look at it. Your primary alcohol, basically, it's going to be the one where now you see the C that is bonded with an OH is only bonded with one carbon, right? So that is going to be the definition firstly of your primary alcohols, that the C that is bonded with an OH, it is bonded with what? One other carbon, right? It's only bonded with one carbon in it, right? Whereas now the C that is bonded with an OH in your secondary is going to be bonded with what? It is going to be bonded with two carbons, right? It is going to be bonded with two carbons. And now the C that is bonded with an OH atom, or rather OH compound, it is going to be bonded what? With three carbons, right? Hopefully this makes sense to you, but we are going to discuss all of these now, right? Three carbons. Now, firstly, which means basically now this one, if I can give you this significantly here, these prop. Now, firstly, primary alcohol, you are going to have what? You are going to have your prop 1O. If let's say you have your prop 1O. Now look, your prop 1O basically it's same as what? This is same as 1, 2, 3C, right? This is going to be your OH. Remember, this one represent the position. This all represent the functional group. This prop represent the number of carbons that you have, right? So which means these basically is going to be the C's, right? And now we are saying primary alcohol, this particular C, the C that is bonded, this C that is bonded with your OH is only bonded with what? Is only bonded with one carbon itself. We don't care in terms of how many carbon are bonded with the next carbon that is bonded with this OH carbon, right? But we are saying the C, this particular first C that is bonded with an OH is only bonded with one carbon. So therefore, this significantly makes it to be our primary alcohol, right? This is going to be our primary alcohol. And our secondary alcohol, therefore, is going to be given by what now? The secondary alcohol, we are saying now, the C that is bonded with an OH is also bonded with what? It is also bonded with the other two carbons, which means this one is going to be, for example, if we look at our prop 2O. Now, what is significant about this? This is going to be the C, right? Now, we are saying this C, the C that is bonded with OH now is bonded with the other two C's, right? Can you see that it is bonded with these other two C? This is the C number 1, and this is going to be C number 2, or rather carbon number 1 and 2, right? So we are saying this carbon, this particular carbon that is bonded with an OH, it is also bonded with the other two carbons, right? And obviously the other two carbons can bond with anything else, but we are saying that is going to be the significant of your what? Of your secondary alcohol, right? This is going to be your secondary alcohol. And now this is going to be the structural formula for our secondary alcohol. And if we can look at now our tertiary alcohol, this is going to be the formula for tertiary alcohol. For the tertiary alcohol, we are going to have 2-methyl propane 2O. So we are going to have 2-methyl methyl. This is going to be methyl. Then this is going to be propane. This is propane. All right, this is prop H2O, right? And now I know this, you are probably thinking this is going to be too much, but let's look at this. So how can we then do this? Which means we are saying, look, the C that is bonded with an OH. Can you see the C that is bonded with an OH? It is going to be bonded with 1C, 2C, and 3C, right? So that is going to be your tertiary alcohol. Then now, obviously, what is it that you are going to have here? This is going to be same as what now? This is going to have your hydrogens. These are going to be your hydrogens. These are going to be your hydrogens. These are going to be your hydrogens, right? And these are going to be also your hydrogens here, the 3 hydrogens for this one. And these are going to be the 3 hydrogens for these particular carbon. Out together. But we are saying, look at this again. Now, this C, it's bonded with firstly number 1C, number 2C, and number 3C, right? Are we together? So basically now this is going to be the difference between your primary, your secondary, and also your tertiary alcohol, right? Hopefully this makes sense to you. Thank you very much.